What up, frigates? In this video we covered day 1 and 2 of our sailing adventures from Key Largo to Marathon and back on our MacGregor 26. We also do a short review of the Ocean View Hotel, Bar, and Anchorage. If you are here for the Ocean View review, you can skip to the time code listed in the description below. We actually did not film much on day 1, so we will start with a quick recap. We left Gilbert's Resort and headed west to an anchorage in Buttonwood Sound close to Pelican Key and Sunset Cove. It was only 8.5 miles, but we had a bit of a late start and played around in the Blackwater Sound for a bit, making sure everything was ready and good to go. The winds were strong out of the northeast, if I remember correctly, so we kept the main reefed all day long. During our time at Key Largo, we ate at both Snooks and the Bayside Grille and Sunset Bar. The great thing about them both is they have docks for boaters and a nice anchorage out front. Links will be below for both. The winds were strong that evening, so we tucked in behind the mangroves for the night. And that takes us to the start of day 2.
Morning, guys.
I'm in my skitties.
Gonna say morning to the camera.
Hello! What's up, guys? First day adventuring in the Florida Keys. We got the crew, and we're gonna get out and go sailing here in a little bit. We did a bunch of sailing yesterday, but didn't record. We're gonna record a ton today, but the first highlight of today are these new napkins.
They are called Kleenexes, actually. Well, Puffs brand with Vicks built right in. Woo! For all your huffing enjoyment and watery eyes. I'm in my underwear.
Oh my! So what? Delos is in their underwear every episode. We're good.
Good Lord.
All right, guys. See you in a minute. We end up doing almost 15 miles on this day from Buttonwood Sound to our anchorage outside of the Ocean View Inn. But first, we need to get underway. All right, here we go. Florida Adventures, starting at Key Largo. We're gonna see if we're at least going to Marathon, maybe Key West. I don't know. Let's see what we decide. We got like a week and a half or something. So, time to get this adventure underway. Let's pull some anchor. All right, ease forward. We anchored up in only about 3 feet of water yesterday, so thank you, MacGregor, for that. All right, neutral.
It's in neutral.
Look at all that mud. I'd say we're holding pretty good. Yeah, this PVC tube could stand to be a little bit bigger whenever we're got it set up for breakaway. But tighter is better than loose, I guess, so it might just be perfect. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts. All right, Cap, it's all you. All right, we got the dinghy all set up. More on that later, but we got it pre-rigged, so all I have to do once we get underway, take that off. They're floaty ropes, so hopefully they don't get in the motor. I probably could have stood to have guided it back a little better than that, but it worked. And we are headed that way through the ICW. Hello. Wait. Okay, now.
Hello, Captain Brent.
Hey, hello. Look at me. I'm at the helm. Big Daddy Captain's up there hooking up some solar. for us. So I'm in charge of getting us over to the ICW. Let's see if I can do it. So, can you see it? The ICW is through here and through there, but we're going this way. So, wish me luck. So one story about yesterday, that's going out. Johnny was taking the truck up to the parking lot, and there's a dock manager at the restaurant. And we're like, oh yeah, we've got parking lot up there. They're all affiliated and everything. We got the parking lot up there. We're just gonna be here for a few minutes. We gotta get the truck up in the parking lot, and then we're out of here. We're headed west. Not coming back for a while. You know, paid the parking fee, everything. Should have been good to go. But I didn't realize that was just for the restaurant dockage anyway. So then, like 5 minutes later, he's like, y'all coming in or not? And they had already gone to deal with the truck. Y'all coming in or not? I was like, no, I said that we're just taking the truck up there and coming right back, and then we're gone. He's like, no, you didn't. You said you were coming in. You lied to me. Get the beer out of here. And so now I'm in the Florida waters with this boat for the first time ever. Hardly any driving experience trying to move this thing from dock to dock. Luckily our boy, what's his name, Ramiro, showed up out there and helped me get all docked up. Thank you, Ramiro. You're badass. Because I don't have all that much experience. You'd think I would, but no, I always have captains. I'm the cameraman. I ain't no captain, I'm a cameraman. But we're just gonna be cruising along real slow, just the way I like it. Got the dinghy in tow. Yeah. Currently 6 feet, looking good. Johnny's ready to put some sails up, so whenever he's ready, we're gonna do it.
Wait a minute, were we gonna put the Bimini back up or just go with it?
We should probably have it back up. Bimini up! We ready?
Nope.
Oh, he's gotta do his daggerboard thing. Yep, that's important.
Not a daggerboard thing, it's rudder.
Rudder, whatever.
I'm going to put some centerboard down a little bit.
Sure.
White one. I'm trying to remember, I knew I had all these before. But
Just a tiny bit of centerboard down right now. One rudder fully down.
Do that. Just let it go. Pull this one, pull it on down.
Oh, that's what that's for.
Just gonna go one wrap like that so it can. These. You need to let those hang or.
Oh, they won't.
Ready for main?
Oh, that's right.
It's good. It's gonna clear the Bimini? Looks like it's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna clear by a lot.
Okay, good.
6 inches.
All right, so when we're reefed, that's good. All right, let's go ahead and throw some jib out.
All right, so we're gonna be going that way. Ah, damn cup holder.
Can we do something with this one?
Yep, go ahead and pull her out.
How far away?
Sure.
Like, tighten it?
Yep.
Like,
Good, that's good right there.
Okay, just like that.
Yeah, with the boom that high, we shouldn't get as much lean. You know what I mean? So.
Use the main sheet a little bit, please. A little more. That's good.
It's race. Maybe.
Looney Tune.
Gotta be to hang out with you
I
guys.
will say, that's a much better reefing job than we've ever done before. It's nice. Probably don't exactly need it right.
We've had a casualty. Favorite shorts down.
What are you doing up there, Valerie?
My thing was coming undone, so I'm making sure.
Oh, whoops, I didn't realize that was
Hi.
Hey, that was not intentional. I was just trying to get the camera to you. I didn't know.
I did not realize the camera was there, but I was just tightening up my top there.
Tell us how you like it so far.
I am loving this. It's beautiful. The temperature is great. The wind is perfect. The water is so much nicer, clearer, calmer than where we've been before. And I'm looking for dolphins.
Where you go, buddy? Is he staying in front? Oh, there's two.
And we have a boat coming up behind us, guys.
Okay, good. Thanks, crow's nest.
And those are updates with Valerie from the lookout perch.
Yeah, he is approaching our port side, so keep an eye on him. I think we're fine. Shallow.
Okay, Shannon was wondering how we're coming along with this take two. Hey, Shannon.
Fantastic. Hey, bring me some Cowpen Cut.
Yes, and I like peanut butter. Hi, Valerie.
No. Bring Sarah.
Yes.
Jiving.
Uh-oh. There it is. Handy as shit.
This is handy as shit right there. That little thing right there tells me what I'm doing. And when you get off course, at the very top, there's a green line that says, okay, you're too far starboard or too far port.
Yeah, so we need to, before we sink this sucker, we need to go around and show all the add-ons that we got, or what are they called?
Yeah, we'll do that before we sink. Mods.
Modifications that we've done. So we did the autopilot recently before we left.
The rock is to the starboard side, due starboard.
And added here. And it's going to be hard to see all the modifications, like the shelf that we added to the bottom of the head sink area, because everything's packed full, but we'll make that video one of these days. What's up, y'all? So we anchored up for lunch. You know what? I don't even know where we are. We're just north of Isla Mirada. Where?
Plantation Key.
Plantation Key. I got in the water. It's freezing cold. But we're gonna actually try to hoist this main while we're on the anchorage and try to sail off the anchor. We'll see how that goes. But we picked an anchorage down in Isla Mirada for tonight. Not too much further down. And that'll be it. So let's pull this anchor and see what we can do. All right, Johnny, you can go ahead and hoist up some main if you want. I'm pulling the anchor. Slow down. All right, never mind. Holy shit, we were hooked on something big. We were hooked on a log or something. Anchor's up, do we do it?
We're going.
Sailed off anchor?
Yeah.
Neat. Whew.
You nodded.
Shit. There it is, we did it. Heading out further and we can get the rest of the jib out. What up? So, a little update. We got the knot out of the furler. Jib is all the way out. Actually live streaming from the front to YouTube right now. Of course, by the time this one will be released, that would have been months ago. But if you saw it and you like the live stream stuff, let us know. It's kind of fun, just chilling, watching, sailing.
Definitely chilling.
Nice, easy living right here. Well, kinda. You know what they say, sailing's hard work, but it is relaxing at the same time.
Look, on, no hands.
Valerie's super into the dolphins. What are you reading?
I am reading about 6 reasons why you should not swim with wild spinner dolphins. They said that the wild spinner dolphins feed offshore at night and return to sheltered bays and coastlines during the day to rest, socialize, tend to their young, and avoid predators. And when their rest is interrupted, especially if it happens many times in a day, it can affect their health and well-being.
Probably shouldn't
So
stick
no-
your finger in the blowhole either.
No fingers in the blowhole, and don't swim with dolphins. That's all I got out of that.
Swimming with resting spinner dolphins may constitute harassment under the Marine Mammal Protection Act.
You're gonna go harass dolphins? Is that what you're saying?
Did they file an ex parte?
I don't want an ex parte. I just want to see the dolphins, but it says not to approach the dolphins because they would take it as
Being too forward?
they would, yeah, they may become aggressive towards you. And that if they come towards you, you should step out of their way or move out of their way.
Step out of the way of dolphins. Always. Little update for whenever we were pulling the anchor earlier, and I was like, there's a log or something on it. I think we were dragging anchor, maybe snagged one of them crab traps. Sorry, crab trap guy.
We're not going to make it to Islamorada at this rate. We're going to Windley Key.
To the Ocean View Hotel in Anchorage. See you there. And the Ocean View Inn comes highly recommended for us. It's a low-key, hole-in-the-wall kind of place. Has that locals hotspot feel. The food is good and priced just right. The inn does not have a lot of rooms and the doors are on the outside, so it's not a fancy resort by any means, but it does have a great little pub and restaurant, pool, kids play area, and dinghy dock. They also have a dumpster out back. Not saying that we dumped our trash there, but we could have. The drawback is the shallow anchorage and even shallower dinghy dock, but not a problem for the old MacGregor. Join us on the next video and day 3 where we sail another 15 miles from Ocean View to Long Key and under the Channel 5 bridge. Frigate out.